Ngathi sizoba nenkinga encane la. Ayi. Ngathi sizoba nenkinga encane la. Hey, yabona nje inkinga emhlabeni ayipheli. Uthi usagade lokhu kuvumbuke lokhu. Uthi usagade lokhu kuvumbuke lokhu. IPirates silanda umgadli omushasha waseNorway, Sebastian Pedersen. Uzwa ngegama ukuthi kunobungozinyana lokhu. Uzwa ngegama ukuthi kunobungozinyana lokhu. Unobuhalandi nyana umbhekile nje ukuthi sizoba nenkinga encane. And manje ngisanda kucheck ama video wakhe lapha ku YouTube. Sizoba nenkinga encane. But finally iPirates isayine striker, what looks to be a great striker according to the videos I watched, right? Lento kulanda bontuthuko. Kuza kuthiwa kulanda untuthuko wasemgungundlovu. Or lo Sibongiseni uvumbuke eNewcastle. Hayi khona. Well, good news for iPirates that they signed Sebastian Pedersen, but if Lomfo is as good as he seemed, mangumcheka lapha ku YouTube, sizoba nenkinga encane.
And I don't think people will ever understand the pride we feel every time we wear our t-shirts. You know, we've got the best marketing and media team and production team, if not in South Africa, in the whole of Africa. Marantwe ke sa rateng ka marketing le media team ya rena. Aba fe bana ba batho chance. Batho nga le fe bana ba batho chance ka tšo go bana batho ba fetso wina di cup. Ba santsane ba celebrate or ba trenne go di Twitter le ding gore ba winne cup Pirate shiwe e release gore bona ba signile a Norwegian striker by Petersen. I don't know if it's Petersen or Petersen. I hope I'm saying it correct. Last bana ba batho ba tlhowina di Kev. Re santsane re lebelletse bona gore ba kreile di second star Pirates e release 2026-27 kid. Ene we don't know ke dilo tse kotsi. Dilo tsa desa a ono re ka ignore ba botlhe ke re focusitse mo ke krelele di neighbor tsa rena ba bolela ka khita rena ba sa bolele gore ba bangwe ba le ba winne di star. Then we said okay, maybe re tla ba fa chance. Ba le ba makhi a ba re botsa gore khita bona 2026-2027 e tla be ele byang. Yo we Pirates ya re bona not today. But thank you re lebohile Mofokeng. Breaking news. Yeah, no. They will show you that you're never bigger than the program Pirates, hey? But you just have to love our marketing and media team. I love it. And they must continue it. They must continue. Once and always. I had the Pirate Joe. You can never find yourself on the other side.
Sebastian Ederson. My good, this is the highlight of my signings at Orlando Pirates Football Club for this coming season. Oh, God. So you know how to answer prayers. God has answered my prayer. We've been shouting since last season. Orlando Pirates Football Club, buy us a striker. Buy us a striker. Today, the surprise, this was a big shock to me. A very big shock. Woo! All right. For those who will stay one corner of the stadium and be asking, who is that yellow one? Who is that Ederson? What does he know how to play? Wait!
Kwizinto engayikhetha emhlabeni, Orlando Pirates remains number 1. Number 1 Pirates kwizinto engayikhetha, yabo. Engayichoose mina. Hayi Orlando Pirates hayi ingakho ngithi iyachoose mina. One of the guys in my comments section last week uthe mina Orlando Pirates nje abalandeli bayo bane main character syndrome, and ngizovumelana naye actually ukuthi ayichawuqinisela ngempela just not abalandeli yabo i-team yonke like the whole team nje, the whole institution of Orlando Pirates inobutering phakathi. Yakhumbula ukuthi thina sikwese siyitaring isiyitaring nje zaka PSL yabo. Lokho esathatha league siyatrend, sitrendiswa ama-documentary, ama-jersey uyabo. Kwathi nje sekuthulakele bejosi hayi sekuphelile kwathiwa part 4 bathe besatu usasayina umfana. Inkulu team yabo, i-team inkulu, and this is an institution man yabo. yokuthi ngisho ngayisupport, watches Orlando Pirates closely ngoba how big we are. Bafana thina sachoose iPirates, cha ngifuna ukuthi ayicha sakhetha kahle noma sakhethelwa kahle, uyabo, ngoba mina ngithi hayi ukusupport Orlando Pirates is a calling, yabo. So nje inkulu i-team inkulu. Singakhohlwa amaBhakania namhlanje ngo7 ukubukela ibanyana against Tanzania. Bakithi amantombazane ayadlala representing the country. Ngicela sibukeni siwasupport. Yeah, ama-awards niyazi ke kuzobe sekuthiwa ubabukhozo uwathengile, so ingakho ngakhuluma ngawo, ngithi nje ibanyana bakithi namhlanje and nje ngiyasicela mabhakani kodwa hayi team yona inkulu yona.
Ungena kuphi wena?
Ngaphi? Enter. Ngiyangena shiqi.
So vele Orlando Pirates ama-attention seekers, ne? Niyayithanda attention, niyayithanda. Anikwazi ukuphila phandle attention. Yonke into namhlanje it's about Kaizer Chiefs kahle kahle. Lolu suku fabe le Kaizer Chiefs. We should be talking about Kaizer Chiefs. You should be talking about the Toyota Cup, one of the biggest cups in the world. But cha abafundi spotlight singabe kubona. Bazo announce nangu uSebastian. Senzeni thina ngoSebastian? Announce lekusasa. Awufuni nje iKaizer bethi ithatha spotlight. Ufuna nje nawe ukuvela. Nami ngikhona. Hayi kahleni Pirates, kahleni. Yabona Sebastian, ngizosana omunye umlungu, lo munye umlungu kade flopa la season. Ngizosana omunye umlungu ozophinda azoflopa futhi. La nabenu.
Yabona, when we talk about Orlando Pirates bafethu sithetha ngeteam engathandi peace. Ayifuni peace Orlando Pirates, let's be honest, because right now we're supposed to be talking about Kaizer Chiefs ne Toyota Cup yabo, but right now we're busy talking about Orlando Pirates signing a European player bafethu. Wow. This is what you do when you want to chill with the big boys. You want to swim nama big fishes. This is what you do. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Seems like uyefuna ukompete neMamelodi Sundowns nyani ke kule season. And I know why ni sign le player leli. Le player linobuhalad nyana so but guess olbona iPSL iphethwe iPremiership le azakwezodlala kwe sizombona ukuthi uhalad wini lo
esokubingelela isikhathi angisenazo masadawana esokubingelela isikhathi angisenazo kwa lapho iJust leni selidedele 2 amagoli kwa kusazoba mnandi masandawana izwani ngathi kwa isifikile nowe arenda kwa ungaminci athimini wawuthi kuloba njani ungena izimpo ongahlangene nazo.
Bhakaniya, amafans wenu